All right, so today we're doing logarithmic equations, and what we want to do is we want to get x by itself. So I need to get rid of this logarithm first. Well, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the base, which is 3, and I'm going to bring it down, and that's going to become my new base for my exponential expression. The exponent on this 3 is going to be the logarithmic expression, that log base 3 of x over 9. Now on the other side, we're also going to have the same base. We're going to have a base of 3. But the exponent is going to be the right side, which is 3. So I'm going to raise this 3 to the third power. So what happens on the left side? Well, what happens is the 3's are going to cancel out, since 3 is the base of the exponential expression and 3 is the base of the logarithmic expression. So whatever's inside the parentheses is just going to come out. So the x divided by 9 is going to come out. On the other side, I have 3 raised to the third power, and that's going to give me 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 27. So that's going to be equal to 27. And now the last thing that I have to do, one more step, I need to get rid of that 9 in the denominator. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 9. Multiply both sides by 9. So that way what happens is the 9 in the numerator and the 9 in the denominator cancel each other out. And I'm only left with an x, my variable. Over here on the other side, I have 27 times 9. That's going to be, let's see, 7 times 9 is 63, carry the 6, 2 times 9 is 18, plus 6, that's going to give me 243. So that's going to be my answer, 243. I put that in my solution set. Okay, but let's say we want to check that answer. What do? Well, we start off with the original equation, right? What was our original equation? Well, it was log base 3 of x over 9 is equal to 3. So this is the original equation that we started off with. And what I want to do is I want to use that answer that we just found, x equals 243, and I want to check that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the x with a 243 and see if everything works out. So I let x be 243. It's being divided by 9. And on the other side, I should still get 3. So the only thing that's changed is the x has been changed into a 243. Now on the inside of that logarithm, I have 243 divided by 9. That's going to be what? 27? So now I have log base 3 of 27 is equal to 3. So what can I do at this point? Well, I can treat 3 as the base, right? I can think about what number do I have to raise 3 to get to 27? And of course, that's going to be 3. Another thing that I can do is I can raise everything to the base of 3. So I could bring down that 3, and I could put logarithm base 3 of 27 as the exponent. And then on the other side, I'm going to have the 3 raised to the third power. So now these bases are going to cancel out. The base 3 cancels out for the exponential expression and the logarithmic expression, and the 27 is going to come out of the parentheses. So now on the other side, I'm going to have 27 is equal to 3 to the third power. And then of course 3 to the third power is going to be 27. So I get 27 is equal to 27. That is my true statement. So I'll put a check mark. So that's how I know 243 is going to be my answer.